Hello everyone, here is Irma0x and now I'm going to present you a password cracker. It's a simple password cracker for md5 encryption. It's just a simple tool for brute force password and it's just for fun. I create this repo on GitHub with inside the password cracker v1 first version, and now I'm going to show you how to use it. So first open the terminal somewhere, then code, copy this link https git clone our link. Okay, we are cloning our program. Okay, it's the password cracker. ls. Okay, here we are. It's the password cracker. Okay, so how it's work? Let's imagine that we have just found a hash on internet and we want to find which is the related password in clear of that hash. At first, for example, we generate our hash from a simple password. Okay. Here we have three files. One is for encoding md5, so we pass a clear password and we obtain the hash of md5 of that password. So it's just useful to know the relation between the clear password and the hash. Then we have our password cracker, in which for every word of this file we convert each password in the related md5 hash, and we are checking if it's the hash that we had found, and at least our password.txt. Here we fill all this file with easy to hard password, yes, by the computer. I choose the first very easy password, but we can try also with this 6-digit password or so. So at first I want to know what is my md5 hash of my easy password. So python3 encoding md5 my easy password. Okay, this is the clear, this is the md5 hash. Then python3 password cracker. First argument I have to choose my txt file password.txt. Second argument I have to choose the hash that I had found, and now we try. Okay, the password cracker found one password which had this hash with md5 that is present in passwords.txt, and the password found is my easy password. Just redo with another guess, one of these difficult. Okay, this is my hash. Imagine that I found this hash on the internet and I want to convert it to this password in clear. So again, password cracker, same stuff except for the hash that we are going to pass. No. Okay, yes. we found this password in the file. Okay, the last stuff is that if we change our hash, the error will be password is not found in the password.txt. Okay, the limitation is that we need huge combination of password in this file, and so we can generate a password.txt file, for example, with a random combination of English word and numbers, and this is called a dictionary attack. And another limitation is that in the password cracker now is this program, we are using only md5, but with few adjustment you can generate every type of hash that you want. Just watch documentation of hashlib in Python. Okay, thank you.